Hello everyone! Today, we are going to clear up a common mix-up in chemistry by talking about the difference between an amine and an amide. These two functional groups sound very similar, and they both contain nitrogen, but their structures and properties are worlds apart. Let's break it down in a simple way so you'll never confuse them again. First, let's look at amines. Think of an amine as a derivative of ammonia. An amine has a central nitrogen atom that is bonded directly to at least one carbon atom, which is part of a simple chain or ring. The key here is that the carbon atom attached to the nitrogen is not part of a carbonyl group. In other words, there are no double-bonded oxygens on that specific carbon. Amines can be classified as primary, secondary, or tertiary, depending on whether the nitrogen is bonded to 1, 2, or 3 carbon groups, respectively. A very important characteristic of amines is that they are basic. The nitrogen atom has a lone pair of electrons that can easily accept a proton, making them act as weak bases. You find amines everywhere in biology, such as in amino acids, DNA bases, and many medicines. Now, let's switch over to amides. Amides also have a nitrogen atom bonded to a carbon atom, but this is where the crucial difference lies. In an amide, the nitrogen atom is bonded directly to a carbonyl carbon. A carbonyl group is a carbon atom that is double bonded to an oxygen atom, C=O. So, the signature of an amide is the NC=O linkage. This carbonyl group completely changes the molecule's properties. It is strongly electron withdrawing, meaning it pulls the nitrogen's lone pair of electrons towards itself through resonance. This makes the lone pair much less available to accept a proton, so unlike amines, amides are not basic, they are essentially neutral. The bond that links amino acids together to form proteins is an amide bond, which is famously known as a peptide bond. So, to summarize, the one thing you need to look for is the carbonyl group. If the nitrogen is attached to a regular carbon, it's an amine. If the nitrogen is attached to a carbon that is also double bonded to an oxygen, it is an amide. A simple trick is to think the D in amide is for the double bond to oxygen next door. I hope this simple explanation made things crystal clear. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you out, please consider hitting the like button and subscribing to support the channel. It truly helps us create more content just like this for you. See you in the next video.